Hi, my name is Lucio Simoni. I am the engineering manager for BC Group, and in this video we'll be demonstrating temperature simulation using the NIBP-1040 series simulator. In this case, we have our temperature cable plugged into the middle connector on the side. And if you look at the back of the unit, the label will actually identify the three connectors on the side and what they're used for. In this case, the middle one is for temperature, so we have our cable plugged in. This is the BC20-41333 cable for simulating YSI 400 series temperature. In this case, our monitor, the PM9000, uses that YSI 400 measurement, and we can see the temperature displayed on the bottom of the screen. Now, by default, the NIBP doesn't show me which temperature is being simulated. So we go to the setup menu by pressing setup, and we can see on the screen that we have 37 degrees selected. So we can scroll to that parameter and use the up and down arrows to select the different temperature simulations that are available. And we can see that that's reflected on the monitor in the background. BC Group does manufacture two different temperature simulation cables. One is the BC20-41333 for simulating YSI 400 series temperature probes. This cable has only two connectors at the end. The other cable is BC20-41334 for simulating YSI 700 series temperature probes. This cable is identified by the three connectors at the end of the probe. It's important when testing a monitor that you have the correct YSI cable for the monitor being tested. So I'm going to demonstrate now what happens if we accidentally have the wrong cable selected. This monitor is configured for YSI 400, but I'm plugging in the YSI 700 cable. And we plug the cable in, and we'll see that the monitor does not match the measurement that I have selected, regardless of what I have set. So my first thought is, the NIBP has failed, or I have a bad cable. In this case, I just have the wrong cable. There's nothing wrong with the NIBP simulator, and there's nothing wrong with the monitor. So the first thing to do, if we see this discrepancy in our simulation, is check to make sure that we have the right cable that matches the measurement that the monitor is trying to use. That concludes the temperature simulation functions of the NIBP 1040 series. For more information about BC Group products or more training videos, visit us on the web at bcgroupstore.com.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like further information, please contact us at 800-242-8428, or for international calls, be sure and dial the +1 for the US 314-638-3800. Or you can email us at sales@bcgroupintl.com. For more information about our extensive line of BC Biomedical products and other vendor alliances, browse BC Marketplace, located at bcgroupstore.com.